In the 1920s, a trader named Richard Wyckoff studied the tape for years and noticed something that still holds up today. The market doesn't move like a crowd of individuals. It moves like one large, intelligent operator, absorbing supply, building a position, then marking price up once that position is full. He called that operator the Composite Man. He's still there. He just wears a different disguise now. A hedge fund, a pension allocator, a bank's dealing desk, and almost nobody trading a 1-minute chart has ever stopped to ask what that operator is actually doing. Here's the confusion. Most retail traders never untangle. Yes, some institutions do trade in milliseconds. Market makers, high-frequency firms, they run on infrastructure you and I will never have access to. Co-located servers sitting next to the exchange, competing on speed measured in microseconds. Copying their time frame with a retail account isn't an edge. It's trying to win a drag race in a car with no engine, but that's not the operator Wyckoff was describing, and it's not the one actually worth studying. The Composite Man he tracked was the slower one, the allocator moving billions of dollars into a position over days and weeks, because dumping that size in one moment would move the price against himself before he even finished buying. That slower operator can't hide on a 1-minute chart. There's too much noise to see intent. But he can't fully hide on the daily chart either, because every single day he leaves a footprint: how much he bought, how much he sold, where he defended a price, and where he let it go. The foreign exchange market alone moves more than $7 trillion a day. That kind of volume isn't reacting to a 15-minute pattern. It's built from decisions about interest rates and macro positioning that take days to play out. The daily close isn't some institutional rule. It's the closest thing retail traders have to actually reading what the slower operator did that day. And here's the part that actually explains your losses. You don't watch the 1-minute chart because it's more useful. You watch it because it feels like something is happening. Fast charts give your brain a hit of stimulation every few seconds. Slow charts feel boring, and boring feels like you're missing something. That feeling isn't an edge, it's a craving. The Composite Man doesn't trade on cravings. He trades on structure, patiently, on a timeline measured in weeks. Wyckoff mapped that patience into stages. First, accumulation. Price moves sideways in a tight range while the operator quietly buys without tipping his hand. Inside that range, he tests the market, but woes, pushing price down to shake out weak sellers, a move called a spring, then watching whether it snaps back with force or just leaks lower. One strong candle at support doesn't prove anything by itself. It's one data point. What actually confirms accumulation is that test holding repeated pressure at the same level, failing to break it, and volume drying up on the down moves while picking up on the up moves. That's not a hunch. That's the operator running out of sellers to absorb. So here's how you actually use this without needing a Bloomberg terminal. Now read the daily trend first. Higher highs and higher lows means the pressure is to buy. Lower highs and lower lows means it's to sell. And trading against that is fighting order flow that outsizes your account by orders of magnitude. Then wait for price to pull back to a level that mattered before, a prior swing, high or low, a key moving average. Watch what happens there over more than one day, not one candle. Look for the test to hold and the volume to shift. When it does, that's a signal. Not a guarantee, a signal. Enter with a stop just past where the level was actually defended, and target the next structure level out. That's the whole workflow. 10 minutes in the evening, marking your key levels. A few minutes in the morning, checking whether price reached one and whether the structure is actually holding. That's not just one candle, but the pattern across a few sessions. If it is, you know what to do. If it isn't, you wait. And waiting on purpose, watching the slower operator instead of racing the fast one, is the actual skill nobody teaches you, because the real trap was never the time frame. It was mistaking speed for control. The Composite Man was never in a hurry. He didn't need to be. Size lets you wait. You don't have his size, but you can borrow his patience, and that costs nothing but the urge to watch a chart that was never built to show you anything true in the first place.